Hello, good day. My name is Saranya, daughter of Narayan Sami. The reason we are gathered here today is because I'm going to show you all how a teddy bear is being made using felt. Now, let's see what are the tools and stuff we have to use, shall we? First here we have is scissors and sewing kit. When you're using it, you have to be super careful because it could nick your fingers and bring harm. Next is felt and then buttons. Keep the buttons away from the kids because they tend to put everything in their mouth. Next up is marker pens and cotton wool. To begin with, we can see here that the arms and legs are being made where there are 4 bunny shaped ears have been drawn out and being cut out into shapes respectively. But for the legs, it has to be in a bigger size. By using a machine or a basic stitch of our choice, the arms and legs are being made by sewing the 2 pieces together. So, at the end of a slit is being left open for the stuffing. Now, following those steps, we can see here that the profile of the head have been drawn on and being cut out. Next, from the nose to the neck, a stitch have to be stitched. 2 pieces will be cut on according to this shape. Following, a gusset is being cut out from the head and going between the 2 head pieces that already have been cut out and sewed in the previous steps. So now, in between the point of the nose to all the way around the back of the neck, a shape is being stitched. Additionally, the body piece are being made now. Here, 2 pieces of fabric have been cut on in circles and rounded cutouts, and each of the corners are being made to be stuck with. The sides together are sewn together, it will be ending up with a sort of a tube. By leaving the circle cutouts open, the short edges are being sewn. At the circles, the arms and legs would be joining. Now, as we all can see, the pieces are being turned inside out. If you find it difficult to turn it inside out, using a pencil would do a huge favor. The seams that have been made is being turned the pieces heights. After all those steps, in the 6th step, the head is being stuffed with cotton wool and being sewn at the top of the body piece. Here, I would like to say something that you may witness some cotton wool are leaking out the body, and it is totally fine. Now, the arms, legs and the body of the bear are being attached and stuffed with cotton wool. As you can see on the both arms and the upper circular cutout, it is being sewn, so does the leg. Following that step, now some ears are being cut out and being attached, which is shaped in a half-like circle. By folding the shape in half, the ears have to be attached to the head. Now, a face is being made to the bear. Some facial details like a nose and mouth is being added with embroidery frost, or you can use some buttons. Now that the bear started having a face, the button eyes are being sewn. If you don't have any buttons or make the teddy bear look more adorable and pretty, then it is convenient for you by animal eyes. Last but not least, finally you can now enjoy a new stuffed bear you have made.